Welcome to the U.S. Copyright Office Virtual Card Catalog Proof of Concept. Today we'll demonstrate the new filtering features that will make it easier to locate digitized card records. When accessing the page, please read the disclaimer and click OK. There's a brief overview of the new features on the home page. We've added raw metadata captured from the card image through optical character recognition. The data is about 90% accurate for cards with typed information. Keep in mind that this may help you find the cards you're looking for, but it is not a guarantee and is not a substitute for a certified search of the records performed by the Copyright Office. Click on the Card Catalog link to begin browsing through the cards. We can filter the drawers by time period, first letter of drawer labels, and by text that appears on the drawer label. We can also filter the cards by entering text that appears on the card itself. Today we'll look for a Dolly Parton author card by filtering the drawers, so let's select the 1971 to 1977 timeframe. Drawers starting with the letter P, and drawer labels containing part. Parton should be in this drawer, so let's select it to add to my selected drawer results. We see at the bottom that we have 1,128 cards in our results. As we page through the results, we come to the first author card for Dolly Parton. We can filter these results further by typing Dolly Parton into the text box under Filter Cards. Now we're down to 178 cards. If we start browsing through the cards, we can see the card numbers in the lower left increase by 1 each time. Whoops, we skipped 395. Let's see if we can figure out why that card was missing from our results. If we click Cards from the same drawer, we can browse through other Dolly Parton author cards in that same drawer. We can see the card clearly says Dolly Parton, but let's look at the metadata by clicking on the More button at the bottom of the card. We can see that the OCR misidentified the letter O as the letter C in Dolly's name. It wasn't an exact match, so that's why it didn't appear in our results. If we perform an advanced filter with Dolly Parton and I Will Always Love You, clicking Exact Match, we can narrow those results to 11 drawers and 15 images. We have a few title cards, then a claimant card, and a few author cards as well. We've also added notifications to the VCC. If we click on the notifications icon up top, we will see our previous searches and drawer activity. We've also added new sections to the help page. Click on a topic to expand for more information. Click it again to collapse the question. Be sure to read the tips and tricks to help you get better results. We've also added the same feature to our FAQ page. Below the frequently asked questions, you'll find links to the Historic Public Records homepage and some downloads to help you navigate the card catalog, such as the different types of card layout and a list of abbreviations used on the cards. Please take our survey or click the feedback link to let us know what new features you'd like to see in the virtual card catalog.